Frustrated by the Terminal Services Print Module DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. To start the walkthrough for Terminal Services Print Module, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Terminal Services Print Module. It manages the redirection of local printers to a remote desktop session. It handles the communication between the RDP server and the user's physical printer driver. If missing, users will be unable to print from within a remote desktop session, typically receiving a printer not found or Spooler initialization error. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Terminal Services Print Module DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Terminal Services Print Module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Terminal Services Print Module DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. One approach to reviewing Terminal Services Print Module references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. To keep Terminal Services Print Module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.